Okay, so this first sentence, if we look at the trigger phrase for the subjunctive, it's in the present tense. And so our subjunctive verb also needs to be in the present tense. So in order to know where we get our stem of our subjunctive verb from, we go to the first person of the present tense indicative and then put the subjunctive ending on. Okay, so hacer becomes haga, or hago, haga in the subjunctive. And then what we do is we put on the endings with the you form, because the object of our sentence is you, which you know by the te. And so the answer becomes hagas.
To YouTube, yeah? Yep. And you probably have to put it in the
So this time the question is in the preterite tense, because etho we should recognise as being kind of preterite. So our subjunctive verb is going to be in the imperfect subjunctive. So to get our imperfect subjunctive, we look at the third person plural of the preterite tense, which becomes decidieron, and then we put our imperfect subjunctive ending on, which becomes decidieran. So the next question, quería que, we should recognise as being the imperfect. Consequently, our subjunctive verb also needs to be the imperfect, ir. So we look for fueron, third person preterite. And so here, because it's la familia, yes, it's plural, but the noun is singular, our verb becomes fuera. Moving on to the next one, estoy enfadado que. Then we've got the present tense with estoy, and so consequently our subjunctive verb has also got to be in the present tense. So seguir, first person singular, becomes sigo, so our subjunctive ending becomes siga. The next one, me extrañaba que, is the imperfect tense. Consequently, we've got an imperfect subjunctive to put in. Saber is an irregular verb, so we look at the third person plural preterite, and we should know that it's supieron, so we want it in the to form, so it becomes supieras. The next one, we've got estoy triste que. Estoy is present tense, so consequently our verb has also got to be in the present tense subjunctive. The subject of our verb is pensar, so it becomes piensen. Okay. Moving on to the next one, será is future tense, and so future tense takes the present subjunctive, and we should know that haber is the one that we use when we say something exists or not, and so it becomes haya. And then the last one, había recomendado, it's the pluperfect tense. So pluperfect tense takes imperfect subjunctive. So we look at llegar, third person preterite plural is llegaron. We need it in the to form, so it becomes llegaras.
I want to set that up, and I want to do that step 0, don't we?
There it is.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah, absolutely.